girls, we are going to be learning how to do our function dance. So just if you're looking at the code here, you see I have different blocks that give different commands. So this is what dance 1 would do, this is what dance 2 would do, and so on. So then I wrote a sample code to make it do these different dances. So if I click on the sprite, you'll see that it does dance 1, which is moving back and forth. Then it moves to dance 4, which is going up and down. And then it goes to dance 3, where it's turning in a circle. Sorry, dance 2. And then the last one is dance 3. Now, I could have put these in any order, and I could add any extra things here. But the way you want to do this, the first thing you want to do is I've already created these blocks. But if you wanted to create your own block, you could say, down here under the pink, it says my block. You say make a block, and you're going to name it what you want it to name it. Okay, and then you'll see that once you've named it, they show up over here. So now once it shows up over here, now I can write an algorithm. Now what do I want my octopus to do now that I could maybe add in my sequence? So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to say I want it to change costumes. So now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to say, under looks, I'm going to say next costume. And then I'm just going to put it in a repeat. Now, I don't want a forever loop on a function because that might be added into your actual algorithm later. So I'm not going to do, but I know that's going to be too fast. So I'm just going to put here and I'm going to say, I'm going to wait a 0.5 seconds. And because it's kind of fun to do the color changes, I like to say change the color. So now I have dance 5. So now I could come down here and I'm going to write a new algorithm. So now I'm going to say when I press 1, I'm going to go to my blocks. I'm going to tell it to do dance 1, dance 5, and then I'm going to tell it to glide to a random position. And then I can tell it to come back here and do dance 2 and dance 1 again. So now so that's if I click the flag, it starts the music. But now if I press the number 1, he's doing dance 1. Then he's going to move to dance 5. And then he's going to glide to a new position. Then he's going to turn in a circle for dance 2 and go back and forth for dance 1. So you could, once you have these functions made, you can rewrite these in any direction you want. Could you create a new algorithm for the dance 6, and then when you press the number 2, create a new sequence or algorithm. So this is how you're going to be creating your function dance.